Hey my lovelies, welcome back to Nice Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to make an authentic African tomato and grilled chicken stew.
We cook with heart. Every single dish is a work of art. Yeah, we do it with love, right here in Nene's kitchen.
If you want to make the best chicken stew of your life, you need two things: smoky grilled chicken and my secret tomato trick. Today we are completely skipping those watery and sour stew. We are making something rich, thick, and flavorful. You would love it, guys. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get into it. Alright, first thing first, these are the tomatoes and pepper mix I will be using. I've already washed them off camera. Next, I will cut them up and put into the pot to parboil them. Honestly, guys, do not skip this. Boiling them first is the ultimate trick to get rid of that sharp salt taste and that extra water. It is going to save us so much frying time later and make the stew thick and rich. Next, we are getting the chicken seasoning ready. I've got my ginger, garlic, onions, and scotch bonnet pepper for that perfect cake. Followed by blending them up with my Ninja blender until everything is completely smooth. For my dry spices, I put some seasoning cube, chicken seasoning, thyme, curry powder, and rosemary. Season your meat, go in with your chopped onions, dry spicy, seasoning cube, bay leaf, blended pepper mix, mix. Add in your salt, mix thoroughly to combine, and cover to steam on a medium to high heat for 10 minutes. Now that our tomato mix has boiled down, I'm gonna scoop them out. Look at how soft and vibrant they look. I'll let this cool down for some minutes before blending them. Alright, the chicken has been steaming beautifully. So now I am adding a little bit of water. We're just going to let this simmer until it is nicely tender. For the frying stage, in a clean pot, go in with your oil and allow it to heat up a bit. Next, add in your chopped onions and stir fry them. Then add in your bay leaf, rosemary, thyme, and fry everything to combine. And follow it up with your blended tomato mix and fry. Now that our chicken is fully cooked, I'm just about to bring them into the oven to get that perfect color. Continue frying your tomato base and give it a stir so it doesn't get burned. Once you see the oil start floating up, you know it is ready. Next, add in your nutmeg, seasoning cube, curry powder, crayfish, and start to combine everything. And then pour in your chicken stock and mix it very well. Give it a quick taste and just adding a little more seasoning cube and salt to taste. Finally, go in with your grilled chicken and stir everything together. And for the final touch, we are topping it up with some fresh chopped blanched spinach. Give everything a good mix to combine. And just like that, our authentic African tomato and grilled chicken stew is ready to serve. I am serving mine with this beautiful garnished rice.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Let's dig in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you love this recipe, please do give me a like, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye!